Let's read with Little Learning Loop.
Hooray!
Let's go. My favorite fruit. Let's see if you can read it. My favorite fruit is mango. It's your turn to read. It is a sweet and juicy fruit. Let's see if you can read. I like to eat mango slices in the summer. Mango juice tastes delicious too. Let's see if you can read. Fruits help us stay healthy and strong. It's your turn to read now. I eat fruits every day. Let's see if you can read. I share mangoes with my family. It's your turn now. We enjoy eating together. Let's see if you can read. I also like mango pudding. It's your turn now. Colorful fruits make meals fun. It's your turn to read now. Fruits are tasty and healthy. Let's see if you can read. Good job, kids! Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions. Thank you for watching.